Pranavaha Srotas. Channels carrying pranavayu is called Pranavaha Srotas. Pranavaha Srotas are two in number. Number one is
तत्र प्राणवहे द्वय तयोर्मूलं हृदयं रसवाहिन्यश्च धमन्यः.
According to Shushruta, roots of origin are Hrudaya and Rasavahini Dhamanis. And number two is
तत्र प्राणवहानां श्रोतसां हृदयं मूलं महाश्रोतश्च.
According to Charaka, roots of origin are Hrudaya and Mahasrotas. Nidana.
तयात् सन्धारणद्रौक्ष्यात् व्यायामात् क्षुधितस्य च प्राणवाहिनी दुष्यन्ति श्रोतांस्यनैश्च दारुणेः.
Factors which bring abnormalities in Pranavaha Srotas are as follows: depletion of dhatus, suppression of natural urges, intake of rukshadi ahara and vihara, exertion in the state of hunger, and other factors which brings vitiation in Srotas. Dusti Lakshana. The following symptoms manifest due to vitiation in Pranavaha Srotas are as follows: prolonged expiration, obstructed expiration, agitated expiration, shallow expiration, frequent expiration, and last one is painful expiration. Vidha Lakshana.
तत्र विद्धस्य आक्रोशन विनमन मोहन भ्रमण वेपनानि मरणं वा भवति.
Symptoms of injury to Pranavaha Srotas: Arokshana, screaming; Vinamana, bending of body; Mohana, perplexing; Brahmana, giddiness; Vepana, tremors; and Maranam is death. All these symptoms are those of low oxygenation or low nutrition. When there is total blockage of supply of oxygen and nutrients, it ultimately leads to death. Dusti Chikitsa.
प्राणोदक अन्नवाहनं दुष्टानां श्वासिकी त्रियः.
Some important symptoms are Hikka, Kasa, and Shwasa. The principles of Swasa Chikitsa is adopted in the vitiation of Pranavaha Srotas. This sentence meaning is: this is the treatment used in Pranavaha Srotas. Udakavaha Srotas. Udakavaha Srotas are the channels which transport water in the body.
उदकवहे द्वय तयोर्मूलं तालु क्लोमः च.
So the moolas are Talu and Kloma. Dusti Nidana. Udakavaha Srotas get vitiated by the following factors: exposure to heat, consumption of hot and spicy food, indigestion, fear, excess intake of drinks, consumption of dry food, and also withstanding excessive thirst. Dusti Lakshana.
तथा जिह्वा तालु ओष्ठ कंठ क्लोम शोषम पासा अतिवृद्धम. दुष्टोदक अवहानस्य श्रोतांसि प्रदुष्टनीति विद्यात्.
Characteristic vitiations of Udakavaha Srotas are dryness in the tongue, palate, lips, and cloma, along with excessive severe thirst. Dryness of the tongue and tinnitus and blackouts are mentioned by Bhela in the Dusti of Udakavaha Srotas. Vidha Lakshana.
तत्र विद्धस्य पिपासा साध्यो मरणं च.
Injury to Udakavaha Srotas develops excess thirst and patient dies instantaneously within 7 days. And then Dusti Chikitsa.
उदकवाहानां दृष्टानां कार्या तृष्णोपशमनी त्रिया.
The treatment principle of Trishna must be implemented. Vagbhatta mentions Vata Pittahara Vidhi is to be done. That is the treatment of principle of Trishna. Annavaha Srotas.
अन्नवाहानां श्रोतसाम् आमाशयो मूलं वामं च प्रश्व.
According to Charaka, Amasya and Vamaparsva.
अन्नवहे द्वय तयोर्मूलं आमाशयो अन्नवाहिन्यश्च धमन्यः. According to Shishruta, आमाशया and अन्नवः धमनी are the मूलाs.
Dusti Nidana.
अतिमात्रस्य च काले चाहितस्य च भोजनात् अन्नवाहिनी दुष्यन्ति वैगुण्यात् पाकस्य च.
The following etiologies bring vitiation in Annavaha Srotas: consumption of excess quantity of food, untimely intake of food, intake of unwholesome food, and also impairment of Agni. Dusti Lakshana. Characteristic features of Annavaha Srotas vitiation are as follows. The first one is disinclination towards food, aversion towards food in spite of normal appetite, indigestion, vomiting, and Vidhana Lakshana.
तत्र विद्धस्य आत्मानं शूलो अन्नद्वेषच्छर्दिः पिपाससाध्यं मरणं च
Fullness of abdomen, pain, aversion towards food, vomiting, thirst, blindness, and death. Dusti Chikitsa.
अन्नवः आमप्रदोषकिति बौद्धव्यम्
Treatment of Amapradosha is followed in Dusti of Annavaha Srotas. Rasavaha Srotas.
रसवाहानां श्रोतसां हृदयं मूलं दश च धमन्यः
According to Charaka, Hridaya and Dasadhamani are the Moolas.
रसवहे द्वे तयोर्मूलं हृदयं रसवाहिन्यश्च धमन्यः
According to Shushruta, the Moolas are Hridaya and Rasavaha Dhamani. Dusti Nidana.
गुरुशीत अतिस्निग्ध अतिमात्रं समश्नतां रसवाहिनी दुष्यन्ति चिन्त्यानां चाति चिन्तनात्
The following factor brings vitiation of Rasavaha Srotas. Intake of heavy and cold substances, excess intake of unctuous substances, consumption of excess food, intake of wholesome and unwholesome food together, excessive worry and stress factors. Dusti Lakshana. The disinclination to food, loss of taste, constant feeling of distaste, improper cognition of taste, a condition of excessive salivation, nausea and discomfort over chest, drowsiness, heaviness of the body, generalized body ache, fever, pallor, obstruction of channels, impotency, weakness, loss of digestive capacity, causes Vishchuksa, loss of digestive capacity, causes Visuchika, Alasaka, Vilambika, premature graying of hairs, Vidhalakshana. Injury to Rasavaha Srotas manifests the following symptoms, similar to Pranavaha Srotas, Vidhalakshana: emaciation and death. Dusti Chikitsa.
रसजानां विकारणं सर्वलङ्घनम् औषधम्
Langhana is the line of treatment in Rasavaha Sroto Dusti. Raktavaha Srotas.
शोणितवाहानां श्रोतसां यकृत्मूलं प्लीहा च
According to Charaka, the Moolas are Yakrit and Pliha.
रक्तवहे द्वे तयोर्मूलं यकृत्प्लीहनो रक्तवाहिन्यश्च धमन्यः
According to Shushruta, Moolas are Yakrit, Pliha and Raktavaha Dhamani. Dusti Nidana.
विदाहिन्य अन्नपानानि स्निग्धोष्णानि द्रवाणि च रक्तवाहिनी दुष्यन्ति भजत चातपनलो
The factors that bring vitiation of Sonitavaha Srutas are as follows. Consumption of food articles which gets digested slowly producing sour belching, thirst and burning sensation. Excess intake of unctuous food, excess intake of hot and spicy food, excess intake of liquid food and excess exposure to sun and fire. Lakshana. So, the mentioned below comes under the Dusti Lakshana. Vidha Lakshana. Injury to Raktavaha Srotas manifests symptoms such as dark discoloration, fever, burning sensation, pallor and hemorrhage, red coloration of eyes. Dusti Chikitsa.
विधिशोणितिके अध्याये रक्तजानं विषग्निजः
The treatment told in Vidisonitya Adhyaya in Charaka Sutra Sthana is applied in Raktavaha Stroto Dusti. Also, Raktapittahara Kriya, Virishna, Upasana and Sonita Sravana. Mamsavaha Srotas.
मांसवाहानां च श्रोतसं स्नायुर्मूलं त्वक् च
According to Charaka and Shushruta both, the Moolas are Snayu and Twak. Dusti Nidana.
अभिष्यन्दिनी भोज्यानि स्थूलानि च गुरुनि च मांसवाहिनी दुष्यन्ति भुक्त्वा च स्वपतं दिवा
Excess intake of slimy and heavy food substances causing obstruction of rasavaha. Srotas and produces gaurava in the body. Bulky food, heavy food, and sleeping immediately after consuming food. Dusti Lakshana. Adhimamsa, Arbuda, Kila, etc. are these are that comes under Dusti Lakshana. Hypertrophy of muscles, soft tissue sarcomas, senatorial pile, inflammation of the uvula, tonsillitis, sloughing of flesh, boiling or skin eruptions, cervical adenitis, and inflammation of epiglottis. Vidhalakshana.
तत्र विद्धस्य श्वातयुर्मासशोषः शिरग्रान्थयो मरणं च.
Injury to Mamsavaha Srotas shows the following symptoms: swelling, loss of muscle bulk, varicosity, and also death. Dusti Chikitsa.
मांसजानां तु संशुद्धिः शास्त्रक्षाराग्नि कर्म च.
Sodhana, Sastrakarma, Ksarakarma, and Agnikarma. So, these are the treatment for the Dusti of Mamsavaha Srotas. Moving on next, that is Meduvaha Srotas.
मेदोवाहानं श्रोतसं वृक्कोमूलं वापवाहनं च.
So, according to the Charaka, the Moolas are Vrikka and Vapavahana.
मेदोवहे द्वैतयोर्मूलं कटिविक्को च.
According to Sushruta, the Moolas are Vrikka and Kati. Dusti Nidana.
अव्यायमात् दिवस्वप्नात् मेध्यानां चातिभक्षणात् मेदोवाहिनी दुष्यन्ति वारुण्यश्च अतिसेवनात्.
So, lack of exercise, daily sleep, excessive intake of fatty substances and foods, excess consumption of beverage, that is Varuni type. Dusti Lakshana. Prodromal symptoms of prameha like excessive accumulation of tartar on the teeth, burning sensation in the palm and the sole feet, oiliness of the skin, excessive thirst and sweet taste in the mouth are seen as Dusti Lakshanas of Medas. Sushruta has included various beginning and malignant tumors, internal growths, enlargement of scrotum, goiter, accumulation of media in lips, urological symptoms including diabetic mellitus, obesity and excessive perspiration. Vidhalakshana.
तत्र विद्धस्य स्वेदगमनं स्निग्धगता तालुशोष स्थूलोशोषता पिपासा च.
Excessive perspiration, excess unctuousness, emaciation of palate, severe oedema, excessive thirst. Then coming to Dusti Chikitsa.
अष्टौ निन्दिता सांख्यते मेदोजनं चिकित्सितम्.
So, the line of Sthaulya Chikitsa is adopted in the treatment of Medodusti. Next coming to Astivaha Srotas.
अस्तिवाहिनं जगनं मेदश्च.
Moolas here are Jaghana and Meda. Dusti Nidana. So, the excessive intake or improper exercise, concussion, violent flexion of the joint, excess intake of Vatakara Ahara. Dusti Lakshana. Hypertrophy of bone and teeth, bone, sarcomas, pain in the teeth and the bone, discoloration of the teeth, morbidity in the hair, nail, beard and moustache are the symptoms produced the Dusti of Astivaha Srotas. The treatment for this is
अस्त्या श्रयाणां व्याधीनां पञ्चकर्माणि भेषजं वस्तयः क्षीरसर्पीषि तित्रोपहितानि च.
Panchakarma and Vasti with Kshira and Grita medicated with Tikta drugs. Majjavaha Srotas.
मज्जवाहिनां पार्वाण्यस्थीनि च.
So, according to this, the Moolas are Asti and Sandhi. Dusti Nidana. Excessive friction of joints and bones, excessive intake of slimy and heavy food substances causing obstruction for Rasavaha Srotas and produces Gaurava in the body. Trauma, compression and also consumption of unwholesome food. Dusti Lakshana. Pain in the joints, giddiness, fainting, blackouts, deep-seated wounds in the joints and also inflammation in the eyes. While coming to its treatment,
मज्जा शुश्रूषमुत्रयानमौषधं स्वादु तिक्तम् अन्नं व्यायामौ शुद्धिः काले च मात्रया.
According to this, Tikta and Madhura drugs and exercise are recommended in the Dusti of Majjavaha Srotas. While coming to Sukravaha Srotas,
शुक्रवहे द्वैतयोर्मूलं स्तनौ वृष्णौ च.
according to this, the Moolas are Sthana and Vrishna. Dusti Nidana. Indulgence in the sex at improper time, suppression of sexual urge, excessive sexual indulgence, and also as a result of surgery, application of Kshara and Agni. Dusti Lakshana. Impotency, sexual dysfunction, that is, both in male and female, his potency will be sick, impotent, or short-lived and disfigured. No conception, or if there is conception, there will be abortion or miscarriage. Thus, the afflicted Sukra manifests infertility and brings misery to his entire family. Sukra will be the color of Manjista or Haridraka and urination of Bhasmavarna. The treatment of Srododusti related to Sabda Dhatus.
The treatment of Rasavaha Shrotas is Langhana. For Raktavaha Shrotas, the treatment is Virechana, Raktamokshana and Upavasa. Mamsavaha Shrotas treatment is Shodana, Shastrakarma, Ksharakarma and Agnikarma. Medavaha Shrotas treatment is treatment of obesity. Astivaha Shrotas treatment is Panchakarma, Vasti processed with milk, ghee and Tikta drugs. Whereas Majjavaha and Shukravaha Shrotas treatment is Tikta and Madhura drugs, sexual intercourse, exercise, timely elimination of doshas.
Mutravaha Srotas.
Mutravahanam Shrotasam Vasti Moolam Vankshanoccha.
According to Charaka, the Moolas are Vasti and Vankshana. And also, according to Shushruta, the Moolas are Vasti and Medra. Dusti Nidana. Intake of food and drinks or indulgence in intercourse while having the urge for micturition. The suppression of urge by especially those suffering from wasting, suppression of urge by those inflated with trauma. Dusti Lakshana. Excessive micturition, severe obstruction of urine, vitiated urine, micturition in less quantity, frequent micturition, excess quantity of urination, painful urination. Vidha Lakshana. Injury to Mutravaha Srotas develops stiffness in bladder, urinary obstruction and also stiffness of penis. Treatment is
Mudra Vitsveda Vahanam Chikitsa Mutrakichiki.
in disorder of Mutravaha, Vrishavahan, Vedavaha Srotas, the treatment adopted should be the same as indusuria, diarrhea and fever respectively. Vrishavaha Srotas.
Vrishavahanam Shrodasam Pakvashayo Moolam Stulagudam Cha.
According to Charaka, Pakshavasya and Sthulaguda are the Moolas.
Purishavahe Dvaitayor Moolam Pakvashayo Gudam Cha.
According to Shushruta, Guda in place of Sthula Guda are the Moolas. Dusti Nidana. Suppression of urge for defecation, intake of food in large quantity, indigestion, intake of food before the digestion of previous meal, and also more occurrences in person whose digestive power is weak and in person who are very lean. Dusti Lakshana. Difficult defecation, defecation in lesser quantity, defecation with sound, painful defecation, loose stools and also hard stools. Vidha Lakshana. Fullness of stomach without movements, that is Nischala Atopa, foul smelling, nodulation of Antra. Treatment.
Tata Atisariki Karya.
The treatment principle of Atisara are to be adopted in Dusti of Purisha Vahasrotas. While coming to Svedavaha Srotas.
Svedavahanam Shrotasam Medo Moolam Loma Kupascha.
According to this, the Moolas are Medas and Loma Kupa. Dusti Nidana. Excess indulgence in exercise, exposure to excess heat, indulgence in cold and hot things without following the prescribed order, and also excess anger, grief and fear. Dusti Lakshana. Loss of perspiration, excessive perspiration, roughness of bodily parts, excessive glossiness, generalized burning sensation and also horripilation. The treatment for this is
Tata Jwara Chikitsiki.
the treatment principle of Jwara is followed in the Dusti of Swedavaha Srotas. Artavaha Srotas.
Artavahe Dvaitayormulam Garbhashaya Artava Vahinyascha Dhamanyah. According to this, Garbhashaya and Artavaha Dhamanis are the moolas of Artavaha Shrotas.
Vidha Lakshana. Infertility, intolerance towards intercourse, and amenorrhea. If you haven't watched the part 1 of this, so please go and watch. Please like, share and subscribe too.
If you have any doubts or want me to improvise, let me know in the comment sections below. Thank you.